Today we're going to make chiacchiere. So first, add the cake flour, the sieved baking powder, and the sugar into the bowl of the mixer. Some salt, and then 3 lightly beaten eggs, and an egg yolk. Then add the grappa, which you can swap for sambuca if you want. Attach the flat beater and start mixing. Of course, if you prefer, you can also do everything by hand with a little patience and effort. Replace the flat beater with the dough hook attachment. Then add the vanilla and some softened butter. After that, knead the dough with the hook for about 15 minutes. If the dough is too dry, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water if you need to. Now the dough is ready. Shape it into a ball by hand. Cover it and leave it to rest for at least half an hour at room temperature. Once the dough has rested enough, tear off a piece. Lightly sprinkle it with flour and flatten it out with your hands. Then, gradually feed the dough into the pasta machine. Start with the machine's largest thickness. After running it through the machine the first time, fold the dough back on itself to even out the shape and keep running it through the machine, progressively reducing the thickness until it reaches 2 millimeters. Use a dough cutter wheel to even out the edges of the sheet, and then cut the dough into rectangles measuring about 5 by 10 centimeters each. Make 2 slices in the middle of each. Leave the rectangles to rest for a few moments and then you are ready to fry them. Do it a few pieces at a time in hot oil at 160 to 170 degrees. You can change the final shape of your chiacchiere during the frying stage. If you want them to be more curly, just lower them into the oil like this. Fry until they turn a nice golden color. Drain them on oil-absorbing paper. A generous sprinkling of powdered sugar. And now our chiacchiere are ready. Where I'm from, they're called cenci. Either way, they're delicious. Bon appétit!